In today's lesson, we will be speaking about a really important topic. But before starting, let me ask you something. Have you done any presentation this year? Speaking about a certain topic or, mm-hmm, okay, about geography in the geography class, okay, history. You were talking about what? Mm-hmm. History of some countries. Uh-huh, uh-huh. It's really good. So for today's lesson, we will focus on how to do presentation, how to prepare them, and some tips that we can follow to make our presentation very successful, and how to explain our ideas, okay, through the presentation, how to tell information to people. I think it's clear now, okay? And we will learn how to do all this in English. Okay, so as you know, through the year and even in your future studies, you will be maybe obliged to do some presentation about different topics, as we said just now. Maybe in your undergraduate or postgraduate studies, okay? Maybe you would do some internship defense or thesis defense, and all that. You must prepare some good presentations, so you can succeed at the end, okay? And as you know, there are many ways to prepare to our presentations. I would like to know from you, how do you prepare these presentations? What about you, Jamila? You say by reading books. You collect information from books. It's really good. Maybe it can help you also expand your vocabulary. Hassan, what about you? From the internet. Internet maybe is a good, or it's the ultimate resource of our researches. What about you, Muhammad? Watching documentaries. That's really good. Okay, so now for our class, we will focus on how to extract information from news, documentaries, podcasts, okay, to help us prepare our researches, okay? And in the next part of our course, we will learn together how to deliver the information that we collected from that kind of source that depends on hearing or listening, okay? Then we will have a discussion about some tips that we will follow together, so as I said, we can deliver the information that we learn through our research or through our listening. But first of all, before getting to the work, let's do just a quick reminder of what we saw in our previous class. So let me ask you this question: what was the general goal of the previous class? Was learning. What do you say, Noah? Learning language through movies. That's a good answer. Thank you. And we learn also some tips, okay, some the steps that we have to follow so we can learn the language, okay? Can you tell me some tips? Using what? Subtitles. really good. We can watch English movies with subtitles, maybe in subtitles in our native language, and after that we can move to subtitles in English. Then we can watch movies without subtitles, that the expert level. Nah, you need to be fluent in English to understand the whole thing. The whole, lines in conversation between the characters. Uh-huh, uh-huh, Okay, now let's get to our work, our today's work. We will try together to use some techniques we learned in the previous class, okay? The same techniques, so we can learn from documentaries, as I said, from podcasts, so we can expand our language. Now we won't be just learning some words from here and here, okay? We'll learn how to discuss or with other people, like our friends, maybe our professor. We can speak about a certain topic, and we will learn how to speak about the topic from the documentaries or podcasts, okay, depending on our listening abilities, okay, and we will learn together how to develop these listening activities. mm. In order to learn how to extract information from our, let us say, from different resources as documentaries, and depending on our listening abilities, we will take an example or a model. So what do you know about sports? What is the most popular sport in the world? Jamila, again, it's football, or soccer as they call it in other countries. It's a really good answer. hmm Now we will take a few minutes to watch a video about the history of that sport. I want you to take a piece of paper, sorry, and try to take some notes about the main information, okay? And right after the video we will discuss, and we will learn together how to get the information we need from the video, okay? So enjoy.